Hi everyone, welcome to June. We've finally gotten rid of May and all the chaos that has been going on. I have something special planned for you. June 6th, we're going to be focusing on your Kundalini energy. It's your vital force energy, which is located at the base of your spine. When this energy starts to flow through all your chakras and all your energy centers, you start to feel more powerful, stronger, and you're able to manifest. This meditation is uniquely designed to also connect you to your angels, receiving angelic guides and guidances to understand how you want to move forward for the next 6 months of the year of 2022. So get ready, come in, and also you can also bring your rose quartz or clear quartz crystal to activate your Kundalini. I'm Maria Leonard, and I'm looking forward to seeing you.